Hi garden friends, welcome to our garden. Today I harvested quite a few vegetables out of Paul's garden. If you've been here for a while, you know it's Paul's garden, but I do the harvesting and usually the cooking. So today I harvested quite a few vegetables. He was clearing things for the winter garden, but we still have tomatoes, we have eggplants, we have peppers, we still have green beans, and I took some of those and I made a very simple dinner. To begin with, I took my fresh green beans and one of the eggplants. I chopped them all up and I started cooking them in some olive oil. And after they cooked for a couple of minutes, I added a simple meal from Trader Joe's. I was cooking the vegetables. I also started my rice, and here's the very easy Kung Pao chicken from Trader Joe's. I think you could use any frozen meal that you enjoy, add some of those garden vegetables, and you've got a really easy to make dinner. I wasn't going to add a tomato to my dinner here, but this one was damaged as I brought it in from the garden, and I thought I would cut it up and add it as well, and it kind of gave a great flavor and added a little bit of moisture to my dinner here. I just chopped it up and let it cook with all those vegetables and that chicken. This frozen meal comes with peppers and onions, and I could have added some of my peppers, which I didn't this time, but I have done that in the past. I've cut up some of my own bell peppers and added them to this dinner. And then after everything cooks, you add the sauce, which is partially frozen still, but it didn't take long for this meal to come together. We enjoyed this with some of our cucumbers and some fruit, and dinner was ready in no time at all. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.